Boo.
Good morning. What are we having today?
We're having blueberry sausage.
Blueberry sausage. Good morning. Forgot to take my makeup off last night, so ignore that. What are we going to do today?
Go preschool.
Yeah.
What's Mommy gonna do today?
Go preschool with me.
No.
What's Daddy gonna do today?
Go preschool with me.
No, Daddy has a union meeting to go to.
Yeah.
And Mommy.
Dad's gonna go eat pizza.
Yeah, Mommy gets to do housework.
Yay!
And I was caught up on laundry for a grand total of 5 minutes. Still have that load of laundry to fold. Uploading our last vlog. That should be up soon.
Ow. There's no milk in there, is there?
What's the matter, Daddy?
Oh, nothing.
Everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Everything's great?
Yep.
Nothing can contain my poops.
Apparently not.
Nothing can contain my poops.
Papa has like epic level poops.
Would you quit throwing poopy wipes at me?
I think she beat the second one.
What you doing, Scarlett?
What are you wearing?
Poop out of these.
Do you have a Finding Dory game?
Yeah.
Bubba is down for a nap, and Kyle is cooking lunch. Let's go. Let's go pester him. Lily, what are you doing? I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Where'd you get it from?
Somebody from Christmas.
From who? Hi. You playing with Legos? Can you hear your TV? Kinda loud. Okay, so I need to stop being lazy. All I've done today is watch TV, play my phone, and it needs to end. Because I have... scared me. Okay, it's super windy out today, and it keeps banging our screen door. That just scared the poop out of me. We are staying in because it's not very nice outside. It's not cold, but it's just not very nice. I need to finish cleaning up the kitchen. That was my task for yesterday, and I didn't finish. That light's not very flattering, is it? The living room needs to be cleaned. I have a little laundry to fold and a couple little odds and ends. So, yeah. Lucas is napping. He's due to get up in probably the next half an hour, so I need to get my butt moving. Scarlett is at school, and Kyle left for his union meeting, so it's kind of weird. I feel like I'm like home by myself, and it's just quiet. It's really quiet, so I'm gonna get some stuff done. Thanks, Chandler. I'm not trying to record a video or anything. Hi.
Hi.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Did you get a new game for your Elite Pad?
Yeah.
What game did you get?
Hi, welcome to our classroom.
Have a good day at school?
Yeah.
What'd you do at school today?
I played.
Did you play outside?
Yeah.
You did?
There are
No,
so
I
many
didn't.
great things to do here.
So Scarlett is down for the night, and Kyle is working on Bubba to getting him down for the night. We didn't vlog much this evening. We didn't really do much. We veg on the couch. Kids have been quite a handful, so not a whole lot to record. So, alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.